Okay, hi everybody. So, we're going to go over some of what we're working on in class. We're going to start with the pentatonic scale. Take your duckbill, slide it up across the strings so that every finger can reach every string. And this finger, your first finger, especially not bent. Make sure it's really flat. Curl up without moving your thumb. While your finger's flat, curl up. Get your fingers pointing down at the strings. Let's do 4 repeated notes with rest strokes down here on the right hand. Ready? Give me 4 straight. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. Second string. Open. Third string. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Four more opens. Open fifth string. Second fret. Open fourth string. Open third string. Open second string. Open first string. Okay, if you had trouble keeping up with that or doing it from memory, rewind, do it again. Let's do 4 repeated notes of the pentatonic scale, swing rhythm. 3, 3, let's go. 3, 3, 3, 3, ready, go. Four more opens. Open fifth. Open fourth. Open third. Open second. Good. And then on page 14, we'll do the second line, 3-0-3-0. So it's going to go 3-0, 3-0. Remember, touch close to your fingernail on the string and touch close to the fret, not in between the frets, but right up close to the fret. Ready? Keep your rest strokes going down here. 3-0, straight rhythm, go. 3. Oh, 3, fifth string, fourth string, and then let's do 3-0-3-0 swing rhythm. So it'll be 3-0-3-0, ready, go. Then on page 16, this might be getting a little ahead, but it's something we're going to do. Page 16 in the blues book is hammers and pull-offs. To do a pull-off, you put your first finger here, and I'll get these fingers out of the way. We pluck that string. Hard to show you this. And we'll just pull off with this finger. Notice my hand did not move. I just curled up my fourth finger, hold it down. On page 16 it says do 4 of those and then go to the next string. When you go to the second string, you play that 3rd fret without moving your hand. You do a rest stroke with your 4th finger. You play it, hold it down, and then pluck it, and then pull off with that finger. Let's do 4 on a string. Ready? Start on the first string. Go. 1, pull off. 2, pull off. 3, pull off. 4, pull off. Second string. Pull off. Rest stroke with your left hand. 3, and 4, and 3rd string. 1. 4th string. Pluck, pull off. Pluck, pull off. 5th string. And 6th string. Now hammers. Pluck the open. Hit it. 2. Hit it. 3. 4. Hammer. 5th string. Middle finger hammer. 4th string. Pluck, hammer. Pluck, hammer. Pluck the open, hammer the 2nd fret. 2nd string, hammer with your 4th finger, your pinky. Keep it curled. 1st string. Good, so that page work is worth a lot because you're buying your notes for half price. So, let's play the 12-bar blues chord. So 1, 2, ready, go. Calling the chords out anymore. You've got to have those memorized. We're going to go down, down with all your fingers, up with your index finger over the first 2 or 3 strings, lightly. Down, up, down. Let's do a swing rhythm. Ready, go. 12-bar blues. Down, 2, 3, 4, A7, E7. Strum and tap. Lots of different ways. You can tap with your thumb on the 5th and 6th string, get a tappy sound like that. Open hand, smack it here, down by the bridge, different sounds. Let's go down, up, tap, 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 go. That's page 17. Lots of different examples there. Okay, next we're going to go through some rock around the clock. I'd like you to have your capos, but we haven't had a capo yet. If you want to play along with rock around the clock on YouTube, you can just leave your capo off. But it'll be a little easier for us to sing it. So before we sing it, let's do a balloon. Sit up tall. Do a balloon. Big breath. Balloon. It stops coming out. Don't force it. Big breath. Balloon. From top to bottom, big breath. Balloon. Okay. Well, the introduction is A chord. In fact, let's do our A chord. Start with your A7, like we did for 12-bar blues, and just take this finger, put it in between on the third string, cram it up in between as close as you can get it to the second fret. You have your A chord. And let's go back and forth to D7. Everybody moves over. This finger goes to the first fret. You have your triangle. Back to A is 1. D7. Back to A is 2. D7. A is 3. D7. 4. D7. 5. D7. 6. D7. 7. D7. 8. D7. 9. And 10. So here we go. That's our chord. We're going to sing 1, 2, 3 o'clock. Ladies, you'll sing 1, 2, 3 o'clock, which is high for me but low for you. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. E7, we're going to rock around the clock to A. Put your glad rags on and join me, hun. We'll have some fun when the clock strikes 1. D7, rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the broad day. E7, we're gonna rock D7 around the clock A tonight. Very good. So that'll be what we do for rock around the clock. Now the next chord I want you to learn is a G chord. On the inside of the front cover of the blues book, G chord starts with your ring finger, your third finger, all the way to the 6th string, your middle finger to the 5th string, 2nd fret, and your pinky, 4th finger, to the 1st string. I want you to work on G and C. And the reason I'm giving you this G, the reason I spelled out the fingers, is if you play G, you might use different fingers. This is the best one. We want to get good at G to C, and then another chord that's really good is D. Watch these two fingers, 2 and 3, they just go all the way across. And I finish my D triangle. To go back to G, these two fingers go all the way across. Pinky goes down. It looks hard, but it's really pretty neat how those two fingers move together. You can go back and forth, G to D. We'll be working on a song with that pretty soon. Have a good time. Keep up with your practicing.